And the second story is like a big oops here, because this is called donor-advised funds. I'm sure a lot of our audience knows about them, where people can give away a lot of money or stock or something like that, and they take a charitable deduction, and then they can direct where it goes. And Goldman has a big fund. They seem to be competing on this, and they're not supposed to reveal, but the IRS apparently mistakenly revealed some of the big donors to the Goldman donor-advised fund. And you can see it's Steve Ballmer, Laurene Paul Jobs, and John Coombe. This is a real oops.
It was a real oops, and credit to our crack colleagues at Bloomberg who discovered this through a charity website. What it says to me is what a huge and really fascinating part of the philanthropic equation these funds have become. As you said, Goldman has gotten into this business. They raised $3.2 billion for their donor-advised fund, and what this does is basically allow a wealthy person to get the tax advantages of charitable giving right away. They're then able to park this money in a fund, in this case managed by Goldman, and then they're able to give it away while they continue to grow the money because Goldman is investing for them, and they get a little bit more discretion than they would if they were just reporting as a straight up foundation. Foundations, as you know, have to disclose where they're putting their money in a little bit more detail than this allows them to do, or this necessitates that they do. And obviously these are three highly influential billionaires. Steve Ballmer with his Microsoft fortune, Laurene Powell Jobs has really become quite the force in philanthropy in many ways. And John Coombe is just an incredible story, a real rags to riches. I was researching him a little bit, and when they sold WhatsApp, they actually signed the papers at the social services office where he used to pick up the food stamps for his family.
Really?
Yeah, amazing. It's an amazing, amazing story.